My name is Laleng. I am the Director of the MLaw in Advanced Legal Practice here at Kent. I'm also a lecturer on other law modules that I teach at the undergraduate level. The MLaw is Kent's flagship response to the changes made by the Solicitors Regulation Authority in terms of requiring students to sit what's called the Solicitor's Qualifying Exam if they want to become solicitors. To tell you a little bit about the MLaw, it's a 4-year program. Students will study the standard law modules that they would normally take doing a standard LLB. So for example, they'll study things like contract law, tort law, criminal law, property law, those sorts of things. They also have the opportunity to take various lawyering skills courses and modules. So for example, if you want to become a solicitor, you might need to interview your clients, you may need to go and speak in court, you may need to negotiate deals and those sorts of things. So we give students the opportunity to do that during their standard 3 years. We also require students to take a module in the law of evidence in their 3rd year as a way of building up to the 4th stage or the 4th year, which is the MLaw stage. So at that stage, we move into what's called the functioning legal knowledge. What sort of knowledge do you need to have if you want to be a solicitor? So there you might be studying things like business law or solicitors' accounts, civil criminal litigation, that sort of thing. We also require students to think a little bit more academically about law. So we use the Kent critical ethos to ask students to think about how law functions in society, whether it could function in a different way. So we try to combine the practical legal knowledge that students need for the Solicitor's Qualifying Exam with a more academic take. And that way, if students wish to qualify either as a solicitor or another professional such as, I don't know, working for local government or being a civil servant or something like that, then they have those opportunities as well. So one of the exciting and distinctive aspects of the MLaw here at Kent is that we've created a scheme for students to apply to a qualifying work experience opportunity. That means that whilst they are studying for their MLaw in the 4th year, they will also be able to do work experience with firms of local solicitors here in Kent. So students have to apply for this. It's not an automatically guaranteed opportunity, but we have a number of students who have succeeded in that this year. And that means then that they will obtain practical experience of working in a firm of solicitors at the same time as studying for the MLaw. And so they can kind of see how the rules that they're learning about here at Kent, how they are apply in practice.